Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Duchenne inheritance questions look scary, but this one cracks fast when you track the pedigree, read the gel correctly, and connect both clues. The pedigree tells us DMD behaves as an X-linked recessive disorder because affected individuals fit the sex-linked pattern. So the key question is whether II2 carries the mutant allele. Next, figure 2 matters most. The gel shows 3-2 does not carry the family's specific mutant dystrophin allele, so there is no mutant copy available for 3-2 to pass on. Since 331 is unaffected and 3-2 lacks that mutant allele, their children cannot inherit this family's mutant dystrophin allele or develop DMD from it. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Trap, rushing pedigree signs. Rule, trust the given gel result and check each inheritance step before choosing.